You know they see the past now. Child, oh baby, to touch.
Babe, I not say you know sabi us. You will not sabi people wey stay for your presence. They talk like this. If to say you sabi us, oh my God, my God, baby, we get money. We get money. No be only money, raw cash.
Hey.
I mean raw cash.
Wait, you mean money is involved?
Hey, oh, see. If you don't talk about money, as in the way to I see baby, I won't call. See, let me tell you, you are the sweetest thing. And I'm now like in this town, as in Eba.
Oh no.
Chai! Dede, you know sabi wetin na dey here dey look see so. You know sabi wetin na dey here dey look see so. Baby, I beg just to make a checkmate this your arithmetic. Wow. Hey! Just your attacking formation. Very kumbutu. I can't look and finish. I can't see your zone layer. Hey! Baby! I will finish you with money.
You mean you like my waist?
As in, I won't carry a hostel.
Hey!
Yeah. Anytime I won't go Jerusalem, get as what they do me. By the time I flush you with money, hey, sag you with money. Hey, Jesus.
So what are we waiting for now? Let's go.
I will go drink. I will go and go start.
Talk about. They talk about something. Money is involved. See, anyhow you want it. Left, right, center, front. Anyhow.
You go pass Jerusalem.
Hey, let's go.
No, say anytime I won't go Jerusalem, get about it.
You go pass them. Hey.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, mo dey go now.
Go now.
Hey, you know what? You go.
Yeah, na visitor na.
You go that woman, please. I need something. Come make a sure when you go do.
I no trust you. I no trust you. This boy go finish this thing. Finish this thing. You not tell me the one I go bad. They assist the think the one I go bad.
As a matter of I don't give on someone with there, so just no worry. Baby.
You know, I need to go to where I was going to.
But you don't give her that money?
I don't give her everything.
Baby, you're okay.
I'm okay, I'm very okay. See, I'll come back. I'll see you some other time.
I ain't go see you now.
Yeah,
just like that?
Yeah.
What's happened?
I ain't go see you now. Okay. Next time. More go, you get to check.
Hey! No, chamba.
I must see my baby today. Every time I'm coming, I will not see her. I will wait, I will not see her. Today, no. Today I have come to meet her. If the mountain does not go to Muhammad will go to the mountain. One must go to one.
Who is that now?
Hey!
Me this house.
Hey, Kodo! See my sweetheart. Yeah, this girl is fine. Oh, God. Oh, how are you now? And then me looking for you everywhere. Oh, yeah. Just wear your pants. Let's go outside. I want to go and spoil you.
Go to where?
I want to just spoil you. Just buy one of slippers for you.
Spoil me how? I be fish.
Hey, now, okay. Just wear your slippers. Let's go outside. I don't want to enter inside. I want to go and spoil you with money. You have money. Let me go and spoil you.
My baby is inside. Stop me.
Your baby? Have you given birth?
My baby is still.
Which baby is that?
Stop. See.
That's a big baby. Oh.
See. I'm tired of this. Your carrot or the thing. I have big coconut.
What are you saying? How do you say I have carrot? Me that I have cucumber. Am I not the one that Techno was saying? Let me give you cassava. I'm the Techno senior brother. Come on, let me ask you. What are you telling me? What is the useless baby that shouting baby? Does he have money? I will spoil your life with money. Do you know what money is this?
You don't.
Which baby?
Papa.
Hey! You told me on one day you are going to school 2 weeks ago. You gave me money. You are coming here. Is this a lecturer? Is this a university?
Papa, what do you do?
First of all, you are asking me a question. Me that gave back to you. That's your mother that gave back to you. You are asking me a question. What kind of useless question are you asking me? Your father and the one that gave back to you that slept with your mother and gave back to you. You are asking me what am I doing here? What are you doing here? 2 weeks ago you took money. You told me and your mother that you are going to school. Is this a lecturer? Is this a university? Oh yeah, come, let's go. Business, you can.
So this is where you have been spending all the whole
I don't have any business here, Fashola. I trace your footsteps. People told me that you are here. That's why I trace it here. I don't. What am I doing here? I don't have any business here.
Papa, go.
Fashola, let's go.
Papa, go.
Fashola, let's go.
Papa,
Don't tell me anything. Let's go.
Follow my footsteps. They go. They come meet you for.
You are disrespecting me. Fashola, you are following me to the house. You have to come and say, come on, this is a grown-up man. How will you tell me it's your baby? Your son. I traced you here. I traced you. I don't have any business in this place. I don't have any business. I traced you. Some people were saying they saw you. I followed your footsteps here. You know that me and the manager. If I get home before you.
This is where you have been spending all this money.
Fashola, if I get home before you, I don't know what you're talking about.
Go house.
Follow me home.
Papa, they go.
If I get home before you.
Let's go inside, Daddy.
Oh, are you entering inside?
Papa, go. Papa, go.
Let me get. Oh no. You will see what I will do.
Waiting for this one now. We pass.
Nonsense. I will deal with you people. I will show you. Let my baby come. My baby is finer than the two of you. Actually, my baby is coming. My baby is coming. Finer than the two of you.
Nothing for this one. We pass enjoyment. If that thing pass enjoyment, I beg they go one side. Maybe they enjoy maybe. I trust you. Papa, what happen now? You don't come again.
What they think you go do?
What did they think?
The food that I left on my baby and you are eating it together. Hey.
But wait, Papa. So wait. Now you keep that meat for here.
No, it's your ghost that left it.
I thought I'm the meat self.
Food that I bought and made prepare for my baby that is coming and you are. Papa, I'm not serious. You're not serious. You're not serious.
Papa, give me my food now. Why?
Come and tell your father to give me.
Tell your ass boyfriend. Papa.
You don't cut. Child, do what them they do. I don't even they talk how they take go there, go as in go flex. Say this thing. Child. Which color post seller? Which?
Why they touch me like that?
You don't know that that day now. We gather toast. That day now, so just.
Okay. Welcome, come give my own shot.
What carry enter inside? Young man, please. Can someone please tell me what's going on here?
Who is that?
If you ask me, I will go out. See, but you will get back with.
Hey,
Now you know. You don't. Say you know Sabi us again.
I don't know you. Have I seen you before?
Shut up. Hey. You go pay.
Today, sir. Today you go give me my own share. You know them.
Shut up.
This
Baby, for the very last time, do you know what they are talking about?
Baby, the point is I can explain.
Oh, you can explain. The explanation is So you've been cheating on me.
Baby, no.
You've been cheating on me, right?
No. I'm not
From today onward, I don't want to see anywhere around me.
I'm sorry.
Just live my life. I don't want to see anywhere around me.
Baby, please.
And to you, can go with her.
You
must stay.
Don't
leave her until she pays you. So you go on
me
Don't come with me. Wait now. Baby, now, just give me small chance. See, I promise I will do you well.
See this small rat too. You don't know your size for market again. Oh Lord.
Hey, Fashola don't suffer. Fashola don't suffer. I don't suffer.
Shut up, Jerry. Rubbish.
See this dry crayfish show. See this dry crayfish. The whole me where we say I dey carry oversize.
Baba.
Go ask question.
Oversize kid.
Now I won't manage. You don't fall my hand.
Ogbeni, shut up your mouth today, Jerry. Rubbish.
You. Shebi you get mind they carry my papa around. No worry, I dey come for your mama. I dey come. Oh, you dey laugh. I dey come for your mama.
My mama. You know, I don't die. Lori Buruko.
No worry. I dey come for your mama.
Let me just baby.
Who is your baby? So you have the guts. Hold it there. So you have the guts to leave me for only money.
What are you saying? I don't understand. You
What
don't
am I
even greet
saying?
me if you are saying Onyefe.
This will kill you there. You don't know what you have till it's gone. Shebi Onyefe money. You will go and meet Onyefe money. You don't understand.
Did you come here to fight or what?
You don't understand. That you have the effort to leave me for Onyefe money. Abi?
No, that's all. Who is Onyefe? You are my office salad now.
Friend Salah.
Hey,
And
now.
you have the guts to leave me for Onyefe money.
I don't
Abi?
leave you for it. I don't understand what you're
Anyways,
saying.
I don't blame you. You have the guts to leave me for Onyefe money.
For why will I leave you for Onyefe? What's the meaning of what I even say? I don't even know. But you are my office salad now. I cannot leave you
Oh,
that.
so you know I'm your offense.
I want to lick you before I leave you. Why will I do that?
Lick will kill you.
Come
there.
on, baby.
Don't come closer. Like, I'm serious. Don't come closer.
Did you come here to fight with me or what? I don't understand.
I came to tell you that we are done.
Come on, this is serious. Oh. This guy is serious. Oh. Baby, are you going? Let me even drop you off there. This Omo Ibo ma o dey for Adebu. I beg you, let them be. Everybody be going that way. What I Fashola, come here. What's wrong with you? You are doing your face like a sheep that trailer man. First of all, you stole my girlfriend and you don't say anything. Now you are entering the house and paying house rent for you don't want to do anything. Come on, sit down there.
Papa, first of all, I don't want to hear anything about this.
Sit down, Fashola, sit down. That's one of the reasons why I call you his girl. One of the reasons why I call you because his stupidity. Me and you are fighting because of girl, father and son fighting. Because I can't say how me and you be fighting for Vera, Obìnrin lásán, girl. Me and you will be fighting for her. You can't take her. Me, I'm broken up with her. I don't want her again. Useless girl. I'm not even doing that again. I'll give my life to Christ.
I know you.
Talk to yourself. I don't want.
You've broken up with.
Pata, we are not able to do anything again. Please, no, I cannot be fighting with you. It's not.
You want me to believe it? Is it because of Mama is coming back from her 2 weeks?
No, that is not the. But it's part of the reason, but it's not the main reason. You understand?
Papa.
You understand? But I just say it's rubbish. It's stupidity.
But Papa, those people they are really wicked.
Wow.
She had the guts to even cheat on me.
What? The same man that cheated on you?
Well, we've already broken up.
Ah, thank God, oh, thank God. So we can have everything straight. I'm sorry for everything that happened, you understand?
Me too, I'm sorry.
The small side that didn't talk for us. We are just there. Let's go and wear clothes. Let's prepare, go and do our breakup ceremony. Let's go and celebrate our coming back.
Papa, that's why I like you. I lose my father. Papa. See, Papa. By the time, we don't flex finish. Other girls will find us come.
I'm not bringing other girls to the place. No, I don't do all those things again. If you insist, one man.
Papa.
I can see carry one before your mother come.